अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज की एक और वीडियो के साथ हाज़िर हूँ। बायोलॉजी फर्स्ट ईयर के चैप्टर नंबर 4 दी सेल के वो तमाम पॉसिबल सिंपल क्वेश्चंस और जो कंसेप्चुअल हैं शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस उनके साथ। तो लेट्स सी क्या क्वेश्चंस हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ रुडोल्फ विर्चो इन सेल थ्योरी। नंबर 2, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ अ ह्यूमन आई। Number 3, differentiate resolution and magnification. Write salient features of cell theory. Next, give function of parenchymatous and chlorenchymatous cell. Give function of sclerenchymatous and meristematic cells. Next question है what is cell fractionation and give its use. And list basic components of cell. 3 components हैं इसके. Draw the label diagram of plant and animal cell. What is the next question? Define plasma membrane and its chemical composition. What is unit membrane model? Simply define it. And what is unit membrane model? Justify with the help of diagram. 13 is what is fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane? Simply define and draw the label diagram of fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. 15 question is give any two functions of plasma membrane. And next is why plasma membrane is called as differentially permeable or selectively permeable membrane. 17 question is what do you mean by active transport across plasma membrane. 18 question is what is endocytosis, give its types. 19, briefly explain 3 layers of cell wall like middle lamella, primary wall and secondary wall. Next is differentiate cell membrane and cell wall. What is the main difference between prokaryotic and plant cell wall? यानी कंपोजिशन के लिहाज से आपने डिफरेंस बताना. What is middle lamella? Define it. What is the difference between primary wall and secondary wall? Give the functions of cell wall. Give the chemical composition of primary and secondary wall of cell wall. 26, give any two functions of cytoplasm. 27 is what is active mass movement of cytoplasm. 28 is what is difference between rough endoplasmic and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What is role of RER and enlist functions of SCR. 31, define ribosomes and its chemical composition. 32 is what is polysome, simply define it. 33 is how Golgi apparatus is formed. 34, define cell secretions, give functions of Golgi complex. What is the most important function of Golgi apparatus? How lysosomes are involved in the process of phagocytosis. Question 38, what is the role of lysosomes in phagocytosis? What is primary lysosome and how they are formed? बनते कैसे हैं? 40, differentiate primary lysosome and autophagosome. 41 is differentiate primary and secondary lysosomes. 42, give any two functions of lysosomes. 43, what are autophagosomes? ये लाइसोसोम्स वाली जो डायग्राम है उसके नीचे रेड कलर में जो पैराग्राफ है उसके अंदर ये लिखा हुआ है ऑटोफेगोसोम की डेफिनेशन. 44 पेज व्हाट इज़ ऑटोफेगी और ये इम्पोर्टेंट प्रोसेस है सेल का कैसे. 45 इज़ डिफाइन स्टोरेज डिजीज़ एंड व्हाट इज़ द काज ऑफ स्टोरेज डिजीजेस. व्हाट इज़ ग्लाइकोजेनोसिस टाइप 2 and what is Tay-Sachs disease. 49 is give the function of peroxisome. 50 is why peroxisome is called so, यानी peroxisome को ये कहने की क्या रीज़न है. 51 is what is the role of glyoxysome in plant seedlings. 52 is differentiate peroxisome and glyoxysomes. Next, write roles of vacuole in cell. What are microtubules and their function. What are microfilaments, इनके function. What are intermediate filaments, इनके functions. Centrioles क्या है, give their function. Next, why mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. What are cristae? Why mitochondria is called self-replicating organelle. 61, what is mitochondrial matrix. And 62 is what is the role of mitochondrial matrix. 63, differentiate chloroplast and chromoplast. 64, what is the difference between chlorophyll and heme of hemoglobin. 65 is compare granum and intergranum. 66 is enlist three components of chloroplast like envelope, thylakoid and stroma. What is stroma and its function? Leucoplast क्या होते हैं? 69 how chromoplasts are involved in pollination. 70 what is thylakoid? What is its function? 72 is what is nucleus? Its chemical composition. 73 what is nuclear membrane? How nuclear pods are formed. 74 give number of nuclear pods in differentiated and undifferentiated cells. Next, differentiate nucleus and nucleolus. Write two regions of nucleolus. Define करना है दो regions को. 76 says what is the function of nucleolus. 77 differentiate centromere and chromatid. 78 what are chromosomes and its chemical composition. 79 enlist a number of chromosomes in different species. 80 give the difference between eukaryote and prokaryote. 81 what is sequence and give label diagram of the prokaryotic cell wall.